Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever tried sparking a conversation with a younger woman but weren't sure what to ask? Today, we're going to explore the best flirting questions that can pique her interest and lead to meaningful conversations. These questions are designed to be engaging, showing that you're genuinely interested in getting to know her. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a toolkit of questions that not only break the ice, but also deepen the connection. Don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video. This tip is essential for understanding how well your questions are landing and adjusting your approach if needed. Stay tuned for it. Before we move forward, if you're ready to take your dating life to the next level, there's a free strategy call waiting for you. Links in the description or pinned comment. Ready to transform your approach and make a memorable impression? Let's get started and dive into these questions. 1. Breaking the ice with style. First impressions are crucial, especially when you're trying to catch the interest of someone younger. The right questions can set the tone for the entire conversation, so it's important to start off on the right foot. Opt for questions that are lighthearted but intriguing, which show that you're interested in her thoughts and feelings without delving too deep too quickly. A great way to break the ice is by asking about her passions that don't usually come up in everyday conversation. For example, ask her about a hobby or interest she's really into but doesn't get to share often. This not only gives her a chance to talk about something she loves, but also provides insight into what excites and motivates her. Another effective question could be about the last adventure she went on. This can reveal her sense of adventure and desire for exploration, and it gives you a chance to find common experiential ground. Or you might inquire about a book or movie that has been meaningful to her, which can lead to a rich discussion about themes and characters that resonate with her. These types of questions help keep the atmosphere relaxed, while allowing you to get a sense of her personality and interests. They encourage a natural flow of conversation, where she can feel comfortable sharing unique aspects of her life, making it easier for you to connect on a genuine level. 2. Finding common ground. This isn't just about discovering shared hobbies or preferences, it's about opening doors to conversations that resonate on a deeper level. Asking the right questions can reveal these shared interests and experiences. One effective approach is to ask about travel experiences. A question like, "Have you ever traveled to a place that completely took your breath away? Where was it?" can lead to a vivid exchange of stories. This question isn't just about location. It's a gateway into discussing feelings, sensory experiences, and memories, potentially highlighting shared values or aspirations. Another angle could be to explore entertainment choices, such as music or movies, asking, "What's the last concert you went to that you really enjoyed?" Or, "What movie can you watch over and over again?" helps identify mutual interests, and can spark lively discussions about why those choices are meaningful. You could also delve into food, which is a universal topic with the potential to connect on a cultural or sensory level. Consider asking, "Is there a particular cuisine you could eat any day of the week?" This question can open up discussions about favorite dishes, memorable meals, or even cooking as a hobby. By focusing on these areas, you encourage a dialogue that feels both personal and engaging, helping both of you discover points of connection that could lead to more profound interaction. 3. Delving deeper. Asking questions that probe a bit further into her dreams and aspirations can lead to a stronger connection and understanding. A thoughtful question to ask is, "What's one dream you've always held on to, and what steps are you taking to achieve it?" This not only shows your interest in her long-term goals, but also invites her to share her ambitions and the effort she's putting into reaching them. It highlights your support for her aspirations, which is crucial in developing a meaningful bond. Another way to encourage deeper sharing is by inquiring about influences that have shaped her life. You could ask, "Who has been the most influential person in your life, and why?" This question helps you understand her values and the relationships that are important to her. Additionally, you could explore her commitment to personal growth by asking, "What's a skill or hobby you've recently started, and what inspired you to start it?" This allows her to share her recent experiences and the motivations behind them, providing further insight into her personal development. By focusing on these deeper aspects of her life, you create a space for vulnerability and genuine exchange. This not only enriches the conversation, but also demonstrates your sincere interest in getting to know her as a person, not just as a casual acquaintance. 4. Uncover her ambitions. Getting to know about her ambitions and future goals is not just about understanding where she's headed. It's also about seeing how well her path aligns with yours. This part of the conversation can reveal a lot about her drive and determination, important traits that can influence compatibility. A straightforward question to start with is, "Where do you see yourself in 5 years, and what are you doing today to get there?" This shows you're interested in her long-term vision and the practical steps she's taking towards achieving her goals. It can tell you a lot about her priorities and whether they might mesh well with your own. To delve a bit deeper, you might ask, what's the biggest goal you're working on right now? This allows her to share her current focus, whether it's professional, educational, or personal, giving you insight into what she values most at this stage of her life. Another engaging question could be, what motivates you to pursue your goals? This can help you understand the underlying passions that drive her actions. It's an opportunity to see what excites her and keeps her motivated, even during challenges. Asking these types of questions helps create a dialogue that goes beyond casual dating talk. It shows that you are genuinely interested in her as a whole person and are considering how you might support each other's future aspirations. This is key in building a relationship that's based on mutual respect and shared visions. Hope this video is sparking some ideas for you. If you're ready to take things to the next level, why not sign up for our free dating strategy call? Discover effective strategies to meet more women and boost your confidence. Check out the link in the pinned comment now. 5. Playful and flirty. Adding a playful and flirty edge to your conversation can create an enjoyable and lighthearted atmosphere, making it easier for both of you to relax and have fun. One way to do this is by asking imaginative yet flirty questions that provoke thought and laughter. A question like, if you could have any superpower for a day, what would you choose and why? Is a great way to break the routine of conventional dating questions. It invites her to share her fantasies and gives you insight into what she finds fascinating or desirable. You could also ask, what's the most spontaneous thing you've ever done? This question nudges her to recount exciting and impulsive moments in her life, potentially leading to adventurous stories where you can both connect over shared thrills or laugh over quirky escapades. Another question that can lighten the mood is, what's your go-to song for singing in the shower? It's a fun, innocent question that can lead to discussions about music tastes or funny singing stories, and it subtly pushes the boundary towards more personal territory in an engaging way. These playful questions not only keep the conversation fresh, but also show that you are interested in seeing her playful side. This can make her feel more comfortable around you, opening the door to deeper connections built on a foundation of mutual fun and interest. 6. Philosophical questions. Engaging in philosophical questions can elevate your conversations from simple small talk to more profound, thought-provoking dialogues. These questions can reveal much about her perspective on life and deepen your connection through meaningful exchanges. A question like, what do you think is more essential? Following your heart or your head? Is an excellent way to understand her decision-making process. It offers insight into how she balances emotion with logic, providing a glimpse into her internal conflicts and resolutions. You might also consider asking, do you believe in fate? And if so, how do you think it plays a role in our lives? This question can lead to a discussion about destiny versus free will, a classic philosophical topic that can show how she perceives her journey and choices in life. Another thought-provoking question could be, what does success mean to you? This invites her to define success on her own terms rather than societal standards, encouraging a discussion about personal values and aspirations. These philosophical questions are not just intellectually stimulating, they also create opportunities for deeper emotional connections. By discussing these broader topics, you show a willingness to engage with her on a significant level, which can be both flattering and compelling. This approach not only makes the conversation more interesting, but also demonstrates your depth as a conversationalist, appealing to her intellect and emotions. Bonus tip: reading her responses. Understanding how to read her responses to your questions is crucial for gauging her interest and knowing how to proceed. Observing her body language, tone, and the enthusiasm in her replies will provide valuable clues. Firstly, pay attention to her body language. If she maintains eye contact, leans in while you're talking, or mirrors your movements, these are good signs that she's engaged and interested. Conversely, if she looks away frequently, folds her arms, or appears closed off, she might not be as receptive. Listening to the tone of her voice also gives you insights. A lively, animated tone can indicate excitement and interest in the conversation. If her voice lacks variation or sounds flat, she might not be fully engaged or interested. Additionally, her enthusiasm in her responses is a strong indicator of her interest. If she answers your questions with detailed responses and asks follow-up questions, it shows she's eager to keep the conversation going. Short, non-committal answers, however, might suggest she's not as captivated. Paying attention to these subtle cues will help you adjust your approach appropriately. If the signs are positive, you can continue to explore deeper topics and strengthen the connection. If the responses are lukewarm, consider changing the subject or adopting a different strategy to pique her interest. By becoming adept at reading these signs, you'll be better equipped to navigate the dynamics of your interactions, making your conversations more meaningful and directed. So now you know the questions to ask a younger woman. What's next for you? Discover what you can do to make girls think about you nonstop, or learn 21 signs a younger woman is sexually attracted to an older man. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.